Probably my greatest accomplishment is building relationships with the teachers and the community and the students to create an environment where all kids feel safe, loved, and cared for to come to school. Hi, my name is Brewer, and I'm very fortunate to be the luckiest principal at Shelton Park Elementary in Virginia Beach. Many times you may hear the word teacher assistant or you may hear the word paraprofessional, and really they're words that mean the same thing. They're really synonymous. But ultimately, they're professionals in charge of caring for our kids and supporting instruction in the classroom. Gone are the days of a parapro or a teacher assistant in the classroom just doing secretarial types of things. I mean, they really need to be an extension of the teacher in the classroom. And I know through the Centura College, they're providing opportunities for that to happen for those that are going through the program before they come out into the field. An ideal paraprofessional to me, first of all, somebody who's going to love and care for kids, and then somebody who's going to support the teacher in the classroom and be a go-getter and happy to be here, and a smile and a support for students. You know, before you know it, you're like tying shoes, and then in the next breath, you're wiping a bloody knee, or you're putting a Band-Aid on, or you're giving a child a hug because their dad just deployed. So you go from being a nurse to a counselor, to a teacher, to a mom. So somebody who can juggle and wear all of those hats and do it all and still love and care for kids. I may get somebody who wants to come in and be a teacher assistant, but they're not qualified. They've never worked in a school. So in regards to a demand for teachers and paraprofessionals or teacher assistants in the school right now, there's always a demand for good qualified people. And I think through the program that Centura College is offering for the parapros, what they're doing is making sure that when people come out into the profession or get a job, that they're trained, and they basically will have a leg up on a lot of people who will be applying for the position. Well, I think anytime anybody has opportunity to gain knowledge and experience is always going to prepare you for the opportunity that's going to be put before you. And there's lots of opportunities for teacher assistants. I mean, you don't have to just be in a classroom. You could be in a PE setting. You could work with special needs students. I mean, there's lots of different opportunities for parapros in the school, and always a demand for good people who love kids.